County in east central Wisconsin until 1:15 p.m. At 12:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Elkhart Lake, or 11 miles west of Plymouth, moving east at 30 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Glenboyla, Plymouth, and west central Sheboygan County. Hazard, 3-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The storm has a history of reported large hail. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Elkhart Lake, Greenbush, and Glenboyla. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.